Hey there, fellow hustlers. Grab a cup of coffee and settle in. Because we're about to dive deep into the mind-blowing world of passive income lifestyles. And a game changer called the Freedom Accelerator. You see, making money doesn't have to be a grind. It can be a smooth ride to financial freedom if you do it right. And that's where Freedom Accelerator comes in, my friends. Passive income, it's the stuff of dreams. Picture this, money flowing in while you sleep, while you're chilling on a beach. Or while you're busy being a rockstar parent. It's like getting paid for simply existing, and who wouldn't want that sweet deal? Now, let's get real for a second. Passive income doesn't mean you can just sit on your couch and binge watch Netflix all day. Nah, that ain't it. To get the ball rolling, you need to put in some work up front. Build your income streams, set the gears in motion, and then let the money-making machine do its thing. So, what's the vehicle that can accelerate your journey to financial independence? Drumroll, please, it's the one and only Freedom Accelerator. This baby is an all-in-one platform that's going to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. But hold up, what's affiliate marketing, you ask? Simple. It's like being a matchmaker, but for products and people. You find a product you love, share it with others, and get a sweet commission for every sale made through your recommendation. Cha-ching. Now, let's talk about the magic sauce that sets Freedom Accelerator apart from the crowd. It's their bangin' training program. This ain't no basic course. It's a freaking blueprint crafted by industry geniuses who've cracked the code to affiliate marketing success. They've been there, done that, and now they're ready to spill the beans and share their secrets with you. This training program covers everything you need to know. From affiliate marketing 101 to those Jedi-level tactics that'll have you smirking like Yoda. You'll learn how to find the perfect niche, create killer content that keeps them coming back for more, drive traffic like a pro, and convert those leads into cash flow and sales. And don't worry, they've got you covered no matter where you're at on your affiliate marketing journey. Whether you're a total greenhorn or a seasoned pro looking to level up, Freedom Accelerator's got the goods to suit your needs. Alright, let's break it down. When you hop on board with Freedom Accelerator, you get access to a treasure trove of knowledge, video lessons that break things down step by step, written guides that serve as your roadmap, and ninja tips that'll make you say, "Why didn't I think of that?" And you know what's the best part? You won't be walking this path alone. Oh no. Freedom Accelerator has something special up their sleeve, the affiliate marketing mastermind community. Picture this, you, surrounded by a crew of like-minded, ambitious hustlers, all chasing the same dream. You'll be part of a tribe that's got your back, ready to support you, celebrate your wins, and pick you up when you stumble. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this whole thing worth the investment? And that's a legit question, my friend. We've got your back. We've taken the course, and we're about to spill the beans in our epic Freedom Accelerator review video. No fluff, no BS, just honest insights on whether this is the real deal or just another shiny object. We'll talk about the quality of the training materials, the level of engagement in the community, the potential for return on investment, and the ongoing support you'll get from the team at Freedom Accelerator. Remember, the path to freedom starts with one bold move. Take that leap of faith with Freedom Accelerator. And let's make that money rain. So, buckle up, Buttercup. Earn big with Freedom Accelerator, click the link below. Freedom Accelerator is the rocket fuel your affiliate marketing journey needs. Smash that subscribe button, stay tuned. And let's rock this digital marketing world together. See you in the next video. And until then, keep hustling like a boss.